Hi, my name is Steve Wittman. I am Chief Digital Officer for Sonic Automotive and Echo Park Automotive. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the service blueprint workshop that Bottle Rocket led for us over the past 6 to 8 weeks. The purpose of the service blueprint workshop was really to help us identify our opportunities as a business from an e-commerce standpoint all the way to an operations standpoint. The work that Bottle Rocket did to talk to various stakeholders in that process was invaluable. Bottle Rocket talked to folks in our call center, in our operations center, in our shipping department, in our stores, and of course to the e-commerce and marketing teams. By taking all of that input and putting it across a spectrum of different consumer experiences end to end, we were able to identify significant opportunities in our business and create actionable plans to grow profit and revenue. Could not have done it without Bottle Rocket. They did a great job of integrative thinking, collaboration, and working in a strategic and tactical way to help our business. I certainly recommend the Service Blueprint Workshop to anybody who is considering trying to improve their business, whether it's from an e-commerce perspective, an operations perspective, or those two things combined. If you need any help or have any questions about the Service Blueprint Workshop, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm happy to give an endorsement of the workshop and give you any other insights I may have. Thank you.